What's the meaning of adobe? Adobe. 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 The word adobe refers to a type of building material made from clay, sand, and straw, which is commonly used in many parts of the world to construct houses, walls, and other structures. The mixture is usually formed into bricks that are dried in the sun, giving them their distinctive reddish-brown color. Adobe construction is popular in arid regions because it provides good insulation and helps regulate temperature. In addition, it is relatively inexpensive and environmentally friendly. Overall, adobe is an important material that has played a significant role in the history and architecture of many cultures around the world.